Anxiety range is about to feel outdated because the 2026 BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI claims up to 1,000 kilometers of combined range. And here's the twist: it's not fully electric. This plug-in hybrid SUV might be the smartest middle ground of 2026. And once you understand how it works, you'll see why this could change everything. Let's start with the design. From the front, the Sea Lion 6 DMI doesn't scream traditional SUV. It looks streamlined, refined, and purpose-built for the electrified era. No oversized open grille, just a clean, integrated fascia that feels modern and aerodynamic. Slim LED headlights stretch outward, emphasizing width and confidence. But here's what's interesting. It looks futuristic, yet not overdone. Premium touches are there, but it doesn't try too hard. Move to the side, and the proportions start telling a bigger story. A strong character line flows from front to rear, giving it motion even when standing still. The roofline gently tapers without stealing rear headroom, which means style without sacrifice. Flush-style handles, sculpted panels, and balanced dimensions make it feel upscale. And just wait until you see the rear at night. The full-width LED light bar instantly makes the SUV look wider and more planted. Clean, cohesive, confident. No fake aggression, just smart design that feels intentional. Now, step inside, because this is where things get serious. The cabin feels more premium than most people expect at this price point. A wide horizontal dashboard creates a sense of openness. At the center, BYD's signature rotating infotainment screen. Yes, it switches between portrait and landscape. It's not just a gimmick, it actually changes how you interact with navigation and media. But the real surprise is how smooth the system feels. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, sharp graphics, fast response. In front of the driver, a digital cluster shows speed, hybrid energy flow, battery levels, and navigation. And then you notice something else. The materials feel refined. Soft touch surfaces, detailed stitching, metallic accents. Higher trims even bring heated and ventilated seats and a panoramic roof. Rear space? Comfortable for adults, practical for families, and the cargo area expands easily when needed. But design and comfort are half the story. Let's talk safety. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, 360-degree camera. This SUV isn't just about efficiency, it's about reducing stress in everyday driving. Now here's the part that really matters: the DMI plug-in hybrid system. This setup combines a highly efficient gasoline engine with electric motors and a sizable battery. For short daily drives, it can run primarily on electric power. Smooth, quiet, instant torque in city traffic. But when the battery drops or you need more power, the gasoline engine steps in seamlessly. No drama, no rough transitions. And here's the headline figure again: up to 1,000 kilometers of combined range. That changes how people think about electrification. You can charge at home overnight for daily commuting, and for long road trips, how? Just refuel at any gas station. No long charging stops required. That flexibility is what makes this SUV different. On the road, the focus is comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps well. Steering feels light in the city, stable on highways. The battery placement keeps weight balanced, so it feels planted and confident. And here's the bigger picture. The Sea Lion 6 DMI doesn't force you to go fully electric. It eases you into the future. Electric efficiency for daily life, gasoline backup for peace of mind. For many drivers, that might be the perfect balance right now. So, here's the real question. Are plug-in hybrids like the 2026 BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI the smartest solution in today's market? Or should the future move straight to fully electric? Drop your thoughts below.